consider, I love when they say consider an arithmetic sequence where u sub 8 is the same as the sum of the first 8 terms, which is 8. Find the value of the first term u sub n and the value of the common difference d. All right, well, great. So no big whoop here. This is actually not too bad. Let's get our formulas. And all we have to do, oops, we don't want that. We want to go here. Gosh darn it. Is it still? Why is it not showing this? I don't know what's going on. Fast forward. Oh, I was doing the wrong page because I'm an idiot. Delete page. Okay, here we go. So, the sum, Bernardo, of an arithmetic sequence is equal to the particular term, right? So let's start with u sub 8 equal to 8. So here's the nth term of a geometric sequence. So let's just do this. U sub n equals u sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d, right? Well, we know that u sub 8 equals 8. So that means u sub n is 8. We do not know the first term, right? And, excuse me, we know that it's the 8th term, and we do not know the common difference, d. Okay? So that means 8 equals u sub 1 plus 7d. Whoop, whoop. All right, so that is equation number 1. We also know that the sum of the first 8 terms, right? Sum of the first 8 terms is 8. So we're going to use this, and that's because we don't know the last term. We don't know. Oh, we do know the 8th term. U sub 8 equals 8. So we get to use the easier formula. Woohoo! Because we're looking for u sub 1, right? So awesome. Okay, so that is S sub n equals n over 2 times u sub 1 plus u sub n. I'm looking for the sum of the first 8 terms, right? The sum of the first 8 terms is equal to 8. Okay, so this is 8. That means n is equal to 8. So that's going to be 8 over 2 times u sub 1 plus u sub 8. Wait a second, Bernardo. U sub 8 is 8. Hold the phone there. 8 equals 4 times u sub 1 plus 8, right? 8 over 2 is 4. U sub 8 is 8. So 8 equals 4u1 plus 4 times 8 is 32. I can easily solve for u sub 1. Minus 32, minus 32. 8 and negative 32 is negative 24. Equals 4u sub 1. Divide by 4. Booyah. U sub 1 equals negative 6. Boom. Okay. So now I go to equation number 1, which is 8 equals u sub 1 plus 7d, right? And I know u sub 1. Whoop, whoop. So 8 equals, u sub 1 is negative 6 plus 7 times d. Add 6, 14 equals 7d. Divide by 7, 2 equals d. So that wasn't so bad. Done. We found u sub 1 and we found the common difference of d. So on to number 10, right? We have 10. We have 11, or no, 12. What's this? Oh, what happened to 11? 10. Did I miss 11? Let me check your sheet. 9, 10, 11. Oh, I missed number 11. Let me put that on there. I don't know how I missed it. I think I must have deleted or something. Okay, so there's 11. Everybody's happy now. Okay. So I think we're going to do number 10. Actually, no, I'm going to skip that because it's so long. I'm going to make it its own video. 11 is short. Okay. An arithmetic sequence has first term 60. And common difference negative 2.5. Okay, great. So now, given that the kth term of the sequence is 0, so now I know that u sub k equals 0, the kth term. Find the value of k. Oh, this isn't part of it. That's part of number 12. All right, so from our formula, right? Let's go back. Let's go back here. Why does that keep happening? I'm on this thing. I don't know why that keeps happening. All right, fine. Okay, so here's our thing, right? So stupid. All right. So we're going to use this formula. U sub n equals u sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. We are looking for u sub k. U sub k, given that the kth term is 0. That means that u sub k equals 0, right? So u sub k equals u sub 1 plus, now k replaced n, so k goes here, times d, and u sub k is equal to 0. So 0 equals the first term, u sub 1, which is 60, plus k minus 1 times the common difference, negative 2.5. Boom. All we got to do is solve. I'm going to move 60 over. Negative 60. Negative 2.5 times k is negative 2.5k. Negative 2.5 times negative 1 is 2.5. I subtract 2.5 from both sides. I get negative 62.5 equals negative 2.5k. I divide 62.5 by 2.5. 62.5 divided by 2.5. Oops, I did it again. Have to click that stupid thing to do the calculator. That's dumb. 2.5 divided by 2.5. And I get 25. And you might say, Mr. B, it's a negative. Why didn't you put in negatives? Well, I know a negative divided by a negative is a positive, so I don't have to put in the negative signs on the calculator. So k is 25. Boom. All right.